Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, your 12-digit Aadhaar, the mobile to be linked, and ID proof if you go offline. Once ready, choose online OTP method for speed or prepare to visit an Aadhaar center when biometrics are needed. Make sure your SIM is active and can receive international standard SMS. Otherwise, you will not get the OTP. Start on a secure network, open the Aadhaar service for mobile link, and enter your Aadhaar and the mobile number you want to link. Once you submit the Aadhaar and mobile number, you request an OTP which is sent to the mobile you supplied. You must enter the OTP promptly. Many expire in roughly 5 minutes, so be ready. After OTP verification, you will see confirmation or a transaction ID. Record it. If the system prompts for biometric authentication because of mismatch or security, make an appointment at the Aadhaar Center, bring original ID, and complete fingerprint or iris verification to finalize the link. Finalize by saving the update acknowledgement or the URN. This is your proof that the mobile is linked. If the OTP SMS never arrives, first check your network and restart the phone, then retry the process or try another browser. Make sure the mobile number you entered is correct. If problems persist, incorrect details, continuous failures, or blocked OTP, go to an Aadhaar center with your ID and SIM. The operator will verify biometrics and complete the linkage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.